Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to make pizza in your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to make sure they're using the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer correctly. Now to simply put, I recently made a couple pizzas in the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer and it's rather simple to actually go ahead and use. Obviously, you want to make sure that your pizza fits inside of the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. And so with it, if the pizza is too large, then obviously it's not going to be able to air fry everything. But just make sure that the pizza is small enough to fit inside the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Now, once you place your pizza inside, of course, you want to remove the plastic packaging and any cardboard that's included. There's a pizza option here on the top left-hand side. So automatically sets it to 340 degrees and 14 minutes. And so when you actually start this, the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is actually going to do a preheating process. So if you press the start button, it's going to preheat for 8 minutes, okay? So during that time, I did have my pizza inside and it was preheating. And then after the initial 8 minutes, it's actually going to go ahead and start that first 14-minute countdown and actually cook the pizza. Now, it was actually really simple to use. If you have your phone here, you could actually go ahead and see how much time is left when it comes to cooking your pizza. My recommendation is that you check it halfway through, but after the first time I did it, everything looked fine. The next two pizzas that I cooked were easily cooked within the time frame. So with that being said, as far as cooking pizza goes in the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer, there is a preset setting. Just know that there is a preheat stage as well when it comes to starting the air fryer. So in total, it takes about like 20 to 25 minutes to actually go ahead and cook your pizza. But I hope this video helps you out, guys. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below.